Hey, Dr. Chris Lavoie from Vivo Chiropractic. Another Vivo question for you. Do I need to wear special clothes to my visits? And the answer is absolutely no. The only time that we have any, clothing potential issues is during your first visit, and we do have gowns available if the clothing that you happen to be wearing is not appropriate to be able to do the thermal scan on your back. But otherwise, for those visits and for every other visit you come, you can wear whatever you are comfortable in. Hope that helps. Go Vivo.